think of need a bigger boat. Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up with the sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fan and romance. Now, today I'm very excited because, as you can see from this ginormous box, my items from Tokidoki Con came in, and I'm very, very excited to see it all in person. So Tokidoki does run their own con, and they always have exclusives on their website. So I encourage you to go to Tokidoki's website and check out to see if there's any items there that you would like. I don't have any promo codes with you. I'm not sponsored, but I just really love this company, and I am very excited for what I have in here, which is so exclusive. Oh, I can't. I need to get into this. So when I got this on my doorstep, I was so glad it's still there because it's so big, and theft is so common when it comes to mail and shit. So yeah, so finally got this little bugger open. Let's see here. Again, another thing that's just been sitting there, waiting for me to delve into. Yay, okay, so this is what we're gonna do. So with purchase, you are going to get 2 blind boxes with your purchase included for free. So it's like a $20 bonus. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open that in a second, but oh god, this is heavy. Wow, okay. The things they have here are the little terrors. I think that's hilarious. They're like little kaijus, children, I don't know. Like, yeah. Little terrors. And that's what children are. Little terrors. I personally do not want to have children. But mad respect to anyone who does. But I'm not gonna say these boxes, so doesn't matter. Unlike those other things I want. Okay. Put that down. Okay, so these are the little terrors, and then this. Okay, good. That's what I was looking for. So this is the sheet here of all the ones that you could possibly get. So let's see here. So there is the sheet there. Oh, it opens up, thank God. Oh, this was done jankily. I'm sorry. This was like just shoved in here with like not really, they didn't think this through. If there's anyone that I really want out of this, obviously the chase would be awesome. Little meatball and pepperoni is the chase. Kid Kong or Little Terror himself or Little Bad Wolf. Actually, they're all pretty cute. I wouldn't be mad. The least one I probably a lot like is Little Vampire, the one at the bottom here. But I wouldn't be mad at any one of these. They're actually done very cute. Maybe the pirate, they're funny. They're all cute. That's why I like Tokidoki. Like, even if they're not my favorite, I still will give it a pass just because how cute and unique they look. So there we go. It's skinny, so I think it's probably the wolf one. Tiny. I called it. Oh my gosh, I called it. I called it so much. Cool. Okay, so this is Little Bad Wolf, obviously, right? Because this is the wolf and where am I going? This is the wolf and holding Little Red Riding Hood. Oh my gosh, that is cool. I like the pink shoes, and I like that. I'm not sure if the unicorn on the back is supposed to be a backpack, but I love that detail too. It's so random. Just a little unicorn. So cool. Like I said, maybe not my favorite one, but because of how intricate these are, um, they're definitely, you can't go wrong with them, no matter which one. Oh my gosh. Y'all, these boots on this thing are flocked. These are flocked boots. Oh, let me close. These boots are flocked. They're flocked. They didn't need to be, but they are. That's so cool. That's amazing. Just like up the ante on this, like tenfold. Okay. Thank you for the freebie. That's cute. And then we have here from Unicorno Series 10. So this is pretty. And here they are here on the side. So obviously, again, the chase is what my preference would be. But out of all these, I guess Gummy, yeah. Gummy would be my favorite one to get. But Cherry Dragon or Lucky, which are the chases, would be cool too. And Harmony looks pretty cool too. I mean, they're all pretty cool. Like again, you really can't be mad at it. Let's see which one we got. Okay, see the other one was like wrapped up and just thrown up in there, but this one, see how this little one came out. This checklist came out really nice. Yeah, let me pull this up. Okay. Let's see who we got. Okay, not bad. This is so cute. Who is this? Who the heck is this? We got the chase. We got the chase. Yes! Oh my god, we got the chase. This is Lucky the cat. Unicorno. Oh my lord. Yes! Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the cat winking. The lucky cat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love the dollar signs in the eye. That's a cute touch. Oh my gosh. That. Oh, and look at the little bell on the front of the neck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and the cat tail. That's so adorable. Oh, I am, yes, so happy. So happy. Oh, and I like the little jewels in the ears. That's a cute detail as well. And the little cat nose. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I love it. I love getting the chase. That is so cool. I couldn't really tell in the picture. Like, I thought it looked too similar to Cherry Dragon, which is the other chaser. That's what they're calling them, chasers. But this is rad. This is cool. So these are the two freebies in my purchase that I was able to pick up. So Little Bad Wolf and Lucky. So cool. Okay, hold on. All right. Okay, sorry, let me get into this. So they had this figure for exclusive to this con, and it is one of the most beautiful things I've seen they produce, but I was like, I don't know if that's me. Do I really get into it? Because this is $100. You heard that right. Shit. This is $100 Oh, you probably saw some of it already. Okay. Again, this struggling here. It's a $100 vinyl. And I'm like, what am I doing? Why am I... The Pocahontas really was the threshold that made me cross like that point of no return. Because now I'm here. Oh. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am on crack because this is not even. Okay. Check this box out. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is true. Oh. This is truly not a toy. This is truly collectible art. I mean, this box alone is beautiful. Beautiful. So great. She wants to open. She wants to say hello. Let's see. There she goes. This is Yoshino. And just look at this box. I'm like, the $100 alone went into this box. Look at all this artwork. How beautiful this is. Look at that. I can't even. So great. Oh my god. Let me see here. Y'all, she thick. This is a big box. Oh my god. It's so heavy. Oh, it has that wonderful fresh plastic smell, and oh my gosh. I've never in my life gone so hard on the collectible. This is a Loungefly backpack. Like a set. Because look, that's the equivalent. Oh my gosh. So here we have Yoshino. And she is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at this detail. She's so, I love her, the details on the mane. She has this, oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I love this jewel here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. These beautiful pearl accents, her crown, the fan. I just am just floored. Look at the fan in her hair. He has a face. He has a little face. And this fan is beautiful. She has candy and donut in her hair. Look at the beautiful bun. And look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the cat again. I can't with this. This is so heavy, it's breaking my back. And then the detail on the side here of the cherry blossoms. I think these are supposed to be cherry blossoms. And same artwork on the other side. And she has her pearl necklace because she is a queen. Oh my gosh. I love it. Oh, I like the throwing star right there. So cool. This though, oh my goodness. Heavy. I can't keep holding it. It's so heavy. But this is literally like the epitome of, yeah, a work of art. This is a true work of art. I can't get over this. Can you believe? This is like the biggest unicorn ever. And I can't wait till what they do next year. I'm sorry. I have found like my latest and greatest. This is just so gorge. So gorge. Gaga Chandra level. I mean, is it perfect? Like, not 100%. There's little things here that I'm not going to point out because overall, stunning. Stunning! Can't really know what to say about this. Except, this is like next level collecting. Like, when you see a series that you really enjoy, go for it. Keep pouring your passion into it, because not only are you supporting something you enjoy, you're supporting an artist. And my hat's off to Simone, because this is amazing, beautiful. The thought that goes into this, like this cat, this little kitty, just look at the face of this cat. Look at the face of that cat. So cute. I can't get over how well these are done, and I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. I have no regrets. There's no regrets. This is a true collectible. That box is beautiful. I wish I knew which one I got, like in the number line, because the box itself was saying, like it said cart number something out of 800. So I'm wondering, were there 800 of these only available? Like, I have to do some research. I'm like the worst collector. I'm just like, it's beautiful, it's $100, let me get it. Yeah, it did that thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her back in the box. But before I do that, I'm just gonna say thank you so much for joining me. This was just like, oh wow, I can't believe this. Like, do you collect Tokidoki? Are you aware that they are able to produce the most amazing, fantastical works of collectible art out there? I mean, yeah, there's companies that wish they were Tokidoki. I'm just gonna say that right now. Comment down below, did you end up picking this up? Were you lucky enough to get this? Would you like something like this in the future? Have you been turned on to Tokidoki now? Please let me know in the comments down below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Ring that notification bell so you are notified for future videos, because as you can see, it's lit here. we know how to do it here, okay? Because my goodness, this is everything right now. I am obsessed. I love it, I love it, I love it. Please remember to be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow is never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Say bye. Bye.